So I'm going to offer you guys right now the 3-hour campaign implementation workshop. That's right. So what is happening is that you're going to come to my office space. You're going to hack through, we call this a design hacking session, to implement your marketing plan like in real time. Whatever business that you have, you could be an insurance agent, you could be a property agent, financial services, you could be running an outlet, a retail, an F&B, whatever it is, we are here to help you and coach you hands-on. Like I said, it's a very hands-on immersive experience, and also handhold you like step by step, right? So what you're going to get is that you're going to design and build your marketing campaign from scratch, right? You may or may not have any experience in marketing. Possibly some of you already have your websites up and your social media management all up. Facebook is being managed every week. And it doesn't matter. We start with where you're at. It will be hands-on coaching, like literally coaching, over your shoulder coaching. And we will accelerate your campaign hacking process down to 3 hours. Now, this usually takes about months, right? Just to plan and to back and forth with an agency or a consultant. But we're going to break that down in an accelerated version, 3 hours, so that you can just plug and play and then take this out and implement it. It's going to cost you $1,390. This is the full value. I want to share with you just 1 or 2 videos of what we do in such a workshop. Okay.
I have no background or marketing, so I found this highly practical for somebody who is just starting out to learn something like this.
This program is good because it helps to integrate online and offline on how to do promotional items and make it to the next level.
It's a lot of information, but it's actually also presented in a very easy to understand way. 4 types of prospect using like bears, things like that.
The examples that were shared were very easy to implement or extrapolate towards my industry.
I learned a lot of things, especially I learned about the 8 stages of O2O and how you do a campaign from the online follow-up until to offline and closing the things.
After attending Glenn Masterclass, I thought that I actually learned a lot, have a lot of takeaways, a lot of tips, and there's a lot of like empirical chart that we can see based on performance.
It's very easy to understand and keep in mind. So yeah, it's really very helpful for me.
Yep. And you know what? Not just the whole coaching process of this, but also you'll get all my frameworks in a student manual pack. And not only that, you will have this whole after service, what we call the follow-up process, where you can consult us. Yeah. And also we will be partnering with you like side by side, so that at each step of the way out of this 3 to 5 stages of your implementation strategy, we'll be there to guide you towards the next. Because after all, it's a pathway that you're creating for yourself. So once again, this is a value $1,390, and possibly your ROI will be 3 times this. No, imagine just taking this 3-hour implementation project and then just applying it and then getting an ROI almost immediately in the following 3 months. I mean, what's that worth to you, right? So I'm going to offer this right now, not at $900, not $500, but you've got it. It's absolutely free. Absolutely free. This 3-hour campaign design and implementation workshop. It's not for everybody. We're going to keep it really small, maybe about 6 packs, so that we have that personal time with you guys. And the next workshop that we're going to have, I think I'm going to send you the link right now. You can scan this QR code, and my team is sending over this link. It's a time-sensitive link, so it will expire pretty soon. Although it states there 24 hours, that means within 1 day. I think it's not fair because we've got to send this replay to those who couldn't make it for today's masterclass, but they have pre-informed me. So we're going to keep that link open for the next 3 days, maybe. Yeah. Remember, it's $1,390, where you are literally going to build your own campaign with us for your business in real time, and then you can launch it within the week to see immediate and real results.